अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आपको बताएंगे आईफोन के 10 से 11 ऐसे फीचर्स जिनकी हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको पहले पता नहीं होगा। इनमें सबसे पहले नंबर पर आता है, आपको पता है कि होम स्क्रीन पर स्क्रॉल डाउन करें तो एक सर्च बार खुलती है। इससे आप कैलकुलेटर का काम भी लग सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैं आपको करके दिखाता हूँ। 45 डिवाइड बाय एनी नंबर यू कैन डू 5। लेट्स सपोज here you can see the answer. As it is, you can do summation, subtraction and also multiplication. Let's suppose here you can see its answer. The second and very important feature is about photos. If you open photos and you have some secret private photos in it and you want to take them private from everybody, if your friends take your phone and open your photos and you want that they cannot see your photos, then here is option. Select the photos which you want to take them private. 1 2 3 4, let's suppose. Click on this arrow button and scroll down, and here is the button is hide 4 items you can see. This way the selected items are hidden, they are still in your device. If you want to see them, here you will go to the albums, scroll down. Here second last option is hidden. Open this folder and you can see all the photos which you made hide are here. And if you want to see them back in the photo section, select them all. Again press the arrow button, scroll down and make them unhide. This way these photos are hidden from here, and again they are showing in the photos app. Now let's talk about the third option. Third option is keyboard adjustment. Let's suppose you have one of the problems if you have short hands or small hands, or you want to type with the single hand, left hand or right hand. Here are the options to adjust the keyboard. Just press this globe button and here you can see three options. You can adjust the keyboard in center, you can adjust it on the right side and also on the left side. This way the size of keyboard will be small and you can use it easily. Now the fourth feature is drag typing. Let's say I have to write my name. Here I will press on A, drag to B, drag to B, then D, then U, then L, then again L, A and H. Here you can see my name written on the screen, Abdullah. And now the fifth feature is if we have written a big paragraph on our screen or anything like that and we have to control the cursor, press the space button and drag your finger and take the cursor wherever you want. Now the next feature is scroll bar use. Let's suppose open messages. If you have to see the older messages, you have to scroll down and swipe your finger again and again. To avoid this, you can see on the side scroll bar. Many few people know about this. You have to press the scroll bar and take it to the down. This way you can easily go up and down. Here you can see this way. The next feature is open calculator. Let's suppose we are going to do a calculation. Let's suppose multiply a number with another number and then minus something from it. Now we have this number. Let's suppose we have to multiply it with a number and mistakenly we have written a wrong number. Now if we have to correct it, two options. If we clear, we will lose all the data we have multiplied or anything like that. And the right way to only remove this number is swipe left on these digits which are written on the screen. This way you can remove the numbers. We removed 8, then we removed 5, then we removed 3. Now we can write the number whatever we want and then equals to this will give the right answer. Now the next feature is undo and redo. Let's suppose we are writing a note. Let's suppose this is, and we're typing something. Accidentally we write something wrong, then shake it and the phone will show the undo message. Only pressing the undo, the phone will undo the last change you made. Or the other way is let's suppose you are writing something and then tab your 3 fingers, double tap with your 3 fingers on the screen, then it will show you the options on the top: cut, copy, undo and redo. Let's suppose undo and then you can also do redo. This way it will show it. And the last feature is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity from the control center. Let's open control center. Here you can see the options Bluetooth. Let's open Bluetooth. Now if you have to see the Bluetooth devices which are available, you just tap on Bluetooth and open this. Here you can see all the devices available. Same this way. Here is a Wi-Fi. You just have to press and hold on the Wi-Fi button and you can see all the Wi-Fi is available. Now and not anyone Wi-Fi is available, so it's showing it is not showing anything. That's all today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.